Today we're talking about the cooking essentials for my recipes. Star anise is the most common spice in Chinese cooking. It's from a tree. I usually buy them whole and grind them myself in a coffee grinder. Sichuan pepper is a shrub. We call it numbing pepper in our house because they actually make your tongue numb. But if you like hot pot and spicy food, this is a must-have. Do you have to have a wok to cook Chinese food? No, you don't. I have one, but I use my cast iron for most of my cooking. There are so many different types of rice in the market. My favorite one is jasmine rice. And since my mother-in-law tried jasmine rice, she can't stand anything else anymore. If you are eating a lot of rice, a rice cooker would make your life so much easier. This is the one I have, but I recommend an Instant Pot multi-cooker instead, unless you have the budget and space. I use my Instant Pot for all kinds of cooking, and it will cook rice too. If there is anything else you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comment. Before you go, please like and subscribe. Thank you.